Imagine a world where tiny robots the size of a speck of dust could navigate your body and fix health issues from within. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, hold on to your seats, because the future of medicine might just be tiny. Enter the world of nanorobots. These minuscule marvels, smaller than a grain of sand, are engineered with the capacity to perform complex tasks. Picture this: robots so tiny they can move around our bodies, identifying and fixing problems at a cellular level. Amazing, isn't it? But that's not all. A recent breakthrough has introduced us to nanorobots with an even more remarkable feature. Scientists from New York and Ningbo, China have developed nanorobots made entirely from DNA. Yes, you heard it right. DNA, the very fabric of life itself, is now the building block of these tiny robots. But why DNA, you may wonder? Well, the answer lies in the unparalleled precision and efficiency that DNA offers. These DNA-based nanorobots are capable of grabbing, positioning, and welding DNA parts to create complex structures. They are not just tiny workers, they are meticulous artists, crafting masterpieces at a microscopic scale. And here's the icing on the cake. These robots can replicate themselves. Just like cells in our body divide and multiply, these nanorobots can do the same. This self-replication feature opens up a world of possibilities, from advanced nanomaterial manufacturing to the creation of nano and micro devices vital for various industries. The potential of these nanorobots is immense, especially in the field of medicine. Imagine a world where invasive surgeries are a thing of the past, replaced by these tiny robots that can navigate our bloodstream and target ailments with pinpoint accuracy. So the question is, are we on the brink of a revolution in medicine and environmental solutions? As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of nanorobots, only time will tell. These tiny soldiers are created in laboratories, not in a Hollywood studio. So how are they made? Imagine a speck of dust, but one that's not just an irritant. Instead, it's a complex, self-replicating robot made from DNA. Yes, you heard it right. DNA, the very building blocks of life. These DNA nanorobots, as they're called, are born in the laboratories of innovative scientists, like lead researcher Feng Zhou from New York University's Department of Physics and the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Creating these tiny marvels is no small feat. It involves meticulous manipulation of DNA strands, aligning and welding them together to form complex, three-dimensional structures. These structures were once only possible in 2 dimensions, but with the advent of these nanorobots, we're stepping into the realm of the 3rd dimension. The process of creating these nanobots is fascinating. They are controlled by external factors such as temperature and ultraviolet light, which guide them in their task of assembling DNA parts. They grab, position, and weld DNA parts with an accuracy that is truly mind-boggling. Imagine a microscopic construction worker, diligently assembling a high-tech structure, one DNA strand at a time. Feng Zhou, the man leading this groundbreaking research, sees these nanorobots as potential game changers. Their ability to execute repetitive tasks with unwavering precision could revolutionize the way we manufacture nanomaterials. Zhou envisions a future where nanorobots play a crucial role in creating nanoscale devices and structures, transforming various industries as we know them. But it's not just about creating complex structures. These nanorobots have the incredible ability to reproduce themselves. Yes, they're self-replicating, which means they can multiply, increasing their numbers to achieve their tasks more efficiently. From a single DNA strand to a self-replicating nanorobot, the journey is complex, intricate, and absolutely fascinating. These nanorobots, with their potential to transform industries and revolutionize medicine, are indeed the tiny soldiers our world needs. These microscopic marvels could be the game changers we've been waiting for. But what can these tiny robots really do? Imagine a world where the building blocks of life, DNA strands, are manipulated with such precision that they create intricate, three-dimensional structures. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, but the reality of what these DNA-based nanorobots can achieve. Each nanorobot has the ability to meticulously align and weld together different parts of DNA. The result? The creation of structures that were once only conceived in 2 dimensions, now brought to life in 3. This is a significant leap from the flat, 2-dimensional layouts we see in traditional DNA nanotechnology. It's like moving from a simple blueprint to a fully realized architectural masterpiece, but on a nanoscale. But the potential of these nanorobots extends beyond merely constructing complex DNA structures. They could also revolutionize the field of nanomaterial manufacturing. From creating nanoscale devices to building intricate structures vital for various industries, these microscopic engineers could be the key to unlocking new frontiers. Just think of the possibilities. In the medical field, these nanorobots could navigate the human body with precision, targeting and eliminating cancer cells without invasive surgeries. In environmental science, they could be deployed to clean up toxic waste in our oceans, all the way down to the microscopic level. And the beauty of these nanorobots lies in their ability to replicate themselves. Just like a living organism, they can reproduce, increasing their numbers and thereby their efficiency. This self-replication feature could potentially streamline production processes, making it more cost-efficient and sustainable. The potential of these DNA-based nanorobots is immense. They are not just tiny robots, they are tiny builders, capable of creating intricate structures at a scale unimaginable until now. Their ability to replicate themselves and to manipulate DNA strands with unparalleled precision could transform various industries, from medicine to environmental science. Yes, the future is indeed tiny, and these nanorobots could take us into a future we've only dreamed of. But the real excitement comes when we start talking about the medical applications of these nanorobots. Imagine, if you will, tiny robotic surgeons navigating the bloodstream, seeking out and neutralizing cancer cells, all without a single incision. This isn't some far-flung science fiction concept, it's the very real future these DNA nanorobots promise. These microscopic marvels could revolutionize cancer treatment. Today, the war against cancer often involves invasive surgeries, debilitating rounds of chemotherapy, and a myriad of side effects. But with these nanorobots, we could usher in an era of targeted, non-invasive treatments. They could track down cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy and deliver a lethal blow, leaving healthy cells untouched. This could mean fewer side effects, improved patient recovery, and a higher success rate in the battle against this dreaded disease. But don't think these nanorobots are one-trick ponies. They could also address genetic deficiencies. Richard Handy, a scientist from the University of Plymouth, England, envisions a future where these DNA-based nanorobots could construct enzymes or proteins within tissues. Imagine, for instance, a nanorobot building insulin-producing cells for someone with type 2 diabetes. This could potentially eliminate the need for daily insulin shots, offering a more convenient and effective treatment. And there's more. Because these nanorobots can replicate themselves and create three-dimensional structures, they could even repair damaged tissues or organs. Picture a future where, instead of waiting for a donor organ, a nanorobot could construct a new one right inside your body. This could potentially save countless lives and revolutionize organ transplantation. The potential of these DNA-based nanorobots is staggering. They could change the way we treat diseases, manage genetic conditions, and even how we approach organ transplantation. But as with all new technologies, there are challenges to overcome and ethical considerations to weigh. Still, the promise they hold is undeniable. Could these microscopic builders be the key to revolutionizing healthcare? Only time will tell, but the future certainly looks promising. We've seen how these nanorobots work and the incredible things they can do, but what does this mean for our future? Imagine a world where robots, no bigger than a speck of dust, assemble intricate structures from the very building blocks of life. These aren't just any robots, they are self-replicating nanobots, made entirely from DNA. They are capable of performing complex tasks with unwavering precision, and they are poised to change the world as we know it. The creation of these nanorobots is a scientific feat in itself. They are not just built, but engineered to replicate themselves, grabbing, positioning, and welding DNA parts to fabricate complex structures. The process is controlled by external factors like temperature and ultraviolet light. This demonstrates a novel approach to nanomanufacturing, indicating a future where manufacturing could be performed at a microscopic level. The potential impact of these nanorobots is staggering. In medicine, they could revolutionize cancer treatment, navigating the bloodstream to target cancer cells without invasive surgeries. They could also address genetic deficiencies by constructing enzymes or proteins within tissues, potentially transforming therapies for conditions like type 2 diabetes. But their transformative potential extends beyond medicine. Their ability to create intricate three-dimensional structures could pave the way for advanced nanomaterial manufacturing. This could lead to the creation of nanoscale devices and structures vital for various industries, from electronics to environmental science. Imagine nanorobots cleaning up toxic waste in our oceans or assembling microscopic devices with unparalleled precision. The possibilities are endless. In simpler terms, these DNA-based nanorobots function as microscopic builders, piecing together intricate structures at a scale unimaginable until now. They are not just a scientific curiosity, but a potential game-changer, opening new vistas for a range of industries. The world as we know it could be on the cusp of a transformation, all thanks to these tiny robots made from DNA.